In this video we will take a look how to set up Uploadly for a new theme. So first of all we will open the Uploadly dashboard. I will do so. And if we have now recently added a new theme which is maybe called Dawn, let me show it to you. I will go to online stores and we can see here this is always the live theme which is currently active, and below we will find all the other themes we have in our theme library. Maybe at one point we want to change our theme, but we have not yet published it, but we want to see a preview how the buttons will look like. So what we are going to do is we will go back to our Uploadly dashboard, and in the left side menu we will find the point theme setup. So we will click on that. Now the theme setup menu will open up. So it's now getting all of the data, and we can see that by default the live theme is selected. You can see that we have already done the setup for the Horizon live theme. If we now click here, we will get the list of all the themes we have present in our online store. So now let's say we have added recently Dawn and want to set up this app for the Dawn theme. So we will click now on Dawn. It will make a check to see if the setup was already done here, and we can see it's pending. Okay, what we are now going to do is to do the following. We will click the button Enable App. Now a new tab will open up and the app gets automatically enabled. So now you can see the information upload field app activated. So we have to click the Save button now. That's very important. We have to wait until we see the message changes saved, and then we will return to the previous tab. Now we can see that this first step was already done, and I will always recommend to also do the second optional step. So, and this is to add the app block for the display position. So let me show you. I will click the button Add Block. Now the default product template will open up. And for some themes which are in the old structure, we have an automatic function here. You will see upload field was added automatically, and you can now go to the product information tab. You can see it was added here in the very bottom, and I always recommend to hold this clicked and move it above the buy buttons, because this is the most recommended position to show an upload field in. In case if you're using a new theme and it's just opening up the product page, then you have to do the following. You will go in the sub item, because in the new themes all of these things like buy buttons, quantity selector will be in a subsection which is called details. You can expand that, and then you can hover the position where you want to add it. So for example, between buy button and quantity selector, you will go inside and you will see a plus. You can click plus apps and you can set it manually, but now in my case it was done already. So we can click the save button. Now you will have to see the message changes saved. We can return to the previous tab and we see that both of these steps have been completed. So now if we will live it at a later point, then this is already done. Or if we want to see a preview of this theme, we will be able to see the buttons also inside this new theme, since the setup was already done.